They don't have to like your video, they don't have to watch your videos. What matters is the fact that you're pushing out content and ensure what you're putting out is of quality, especially when you're pushing out a video that brings value. Provided your video is of quality, you will definitely attract the right audience. And when you get the right audience, you will pull that attention you truly desire. Hi guys, welcome to Auguilicious. Thank you for joining. If you're new, thank you for coming. And if you're an old returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And please hit the like button, subscribe if you've not. You heard me well. They don't have to like your video. Your video doesn't have to reach over 1k view, 1000 plus view before you think you're pushing out the right content. Most times you could push out a video, it doesn't gain the right traction, but with time or over time, you see that video pulling that attention you least expected. So push out that content, push out that video that you think that may not go viral, because you'll be surprised that video will be the video to announce you to your world. You know what makes many people get discouraged with this content creating? It's having to push out a video that would not just gain views, but a video that would attract the right audience. That's the most challenging aspect, especially having the long form, the short form, having this perspective, you know, having a perspective that your video have to be over 8 minutes, or having a video over 10 minutes. Because one thing I've seen most of us YouTubers struggle to keep up with is having this either long form content or short form content. And this is one of the challenges we all have as YouTubers or as content creators, especially being on YouTube. It's quite challenging when you have to push out a video or you have to stay relevant and consistent. Because from my analogy, from what I've seen so far and what I've experienced, I've seen that pushing out video, be it long form or short form, is not really what matters. What matters is that this video is of value. So when you're pushing out a video, do you just push out this video to be long form, or you push out this video to reach the right audience that will come back to your channel because they want to watch more of your videos? Ensure to push out content, push out videos of value. So this would not just bring views, but will bring consistent subscribers or consistent viewers to your channel. I know we all are excited when it comes to monetization on YouTube. So that's the most important and striking point, because when you see YouTubers that come up to say they've been monetized in less than 1 month on YouTube, or less than 3 weeks, some less than a week, they've been monetized, you will see yourself getting carried away with such talks, and that will make you want to go the extra mile. If you're carried away by such statement or such YouTubers pushing out videos where they've been monetized in less than a week or so, what I mean by going the extra mile is the fact that you see yourself wanting to loop your videos, you see yourself doing things that could be against YouTube policy. I've made a video about that. You can check that video out for more information with regards to fake engagement. For me, I would advise just keep doing something unique, something you will be known for in the long run, and you will see yourself reaching that apex, reaching that height you truly desire. There's a video I pushed out recently. I did not really expect 1k plus view, but in one day I got over 2k views. And you know, sometimes you push out video thinking that that video may not do well, and the video end up doing well. And sometimes you push out the video having all burials, having all the perfect edition, you know, and that video ends up getting less than 1K view. So don't be discouraged by having views or not having views. And if you're having such a challenge, let me know in the comment section. And if you've sorted out your challenge, let me also know in the comment section. Our advice, do not be discouraged. Just keep pushing out your video. You'll be surprised that the next video you push out will be the one to announce you. And before you go, hold on to watch the video coming up. See you there.